Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let's make some curry spare ribs with potatoes and carrots in the oven. Do you like curry? Okay, well curry is something that we don't have that often, but when you do, you like it because it's a tad bit spicy, not too bad, and I think that curry helps in a lot of ways. For one thing, curry helps you to remember. So if you know someone that is suffering from Alzheimer's, or they have Alzheimer's or the beginning stages of it, try to give them something with curry because that helps the memory. Okay, so maybe you would like to try the curry. Okay, so let's give it a try. Thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below if you want to support this girl in any way. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I have my spare ribs here. I cut it up into one bone section each. Okay, alright. So let's put the curry on. Let me just wipe my hands. Alright. So the first thing we want to add, of course, is the curry. This is Jamaican curry. Okay? But any kind of curry you have will work. So you want to heavily put it on. Don't get the curry on your clothes because it's hard to get it out. Okay, and I'm going to put some garlic on, granulated garlic. Some black pepper. I'm not going to put that on because curry's already hot. Okay, I have some garlic and herb. Okay, so I'm going to turn them over and I'm going to do the same. But why don't I turn them over right in the pan? Okay, so let me show you. So I have them on the side that is not seasoned yet. So let's do that. I'm going to season this side. And the curry. The black pepper. And the garlic and herb. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to put the meat to one side. And I'm going to put my carrots and potatoes on this end. So I'm going to put some oil on the bottom and on the top of the curry rib. Okay, so now we're going to put the carrots in. These are the carrots. This is 3 large, very large carrots. And now I'm going to put the potatoes. This is 3 medium-sized potatoes. Okay, now I'm going to put some olive oil on top of the potatoes and carrots. That's to help so that it doesn't turn brown. This is some garlic, and put that over the vegetables. And the garlic and herb over the vegetables. And some pepper. And I want to go with a little salt on top of the potatoes and carrots. Okay. Alright, I want to mix up the potatoes and carrots so that the oil can get on all of it. Okay. I'm going to put a little water in that. And I'm going to put just enough water to coat the bottom of the pan. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to cook this on 350 degrees in the oven, okay, until the potatoes is done and the vegetables are done. And I'm thinking that's going to be probably around 45 minutes to an hour because I want the ribs nice and tender. So, to ensure that my ribs are tender, I'm going to put some foil over the entire pan to lock in some steam. I want those ribs, when you bite into them, for them to be so soft. Okay, and I'm going to put my top on the top like that. Okay, and in she goes on 350 degrees. Thank you. We'll be back. I'm going to come right back and give you the word of the day, okay? Okay guys, look at that. All done. That took about 45 minutes and it's nice and tender. So let me take a taste for you. One second. Okay. So let me, can't see. One second. Okay, let's taste. I got the pork, the potatoes, and the carrots. Oh, I lost the potato. I'm getting another piece. Wow. That pork is so tender. When you have pork and you're gonna bake it, put it in a roaster like you put a turkey in. Do like I did, cover it with some aluminum foil and then the top. Tender every time. It's really good. If everything is flavored nicely, you'll enjoy that. So, let me give you the word of the day. One second, let me finish clearing out my mouth. So, the word of the day is, don't be criticizing others until you check on yourself. If you can pass your own criticism, the same criticism that you are putting on others, and you pass that test, then maybe you can look at others. But until you're perfect, don't criticize others, because no man's perfect. No man. That's the word of the day. Don't criticize others. No man is perfect. Okay, give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Support this channel if you like. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.